Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be creating this easy, quick wing liner with a pink lipstick. And if you guys are interested to know more about the products and the process of creating this look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this dark spot correcting glow serum, and this serum is very much good as it brightens my skin, and I also have seen the visible results as well. Then for foundation, I'll be mixing these L'Oreal Infallible foundations, and the shades are let me see where the shades are. The shades are 130 beige and 235 mile honey. Yeah, I mixed these two shades, and with this flat brush I first apply it all over the face. This brush just distributes the foundation everywhere so that there is no patchiness, and your look is full coverage as well. This rounded brush, I just buff it all over my face. Just don't drag it too much. Dab it like this and just buff it around. And I just don't do foundations under my eyes so that there is no any crease while applying concealer. Then for concealer, I'm going on with this L'Oreal Infallible shade 327 in Kashmir, and the shade is a bit lighter than my foundation. And I'll just apply a dot on two sides like this, and on the areas where I have discolorations a little bit here as well. And this is how I look now. Then I use this a rounded brush and just dab it like this so that you get the full coverage, and you can just apply. If there is excess, then you can apply it on your eyes as well. After I blend it with the brush, I also go on with the beauty blender so that there is no any brush strokes. um, yes, this concealer is also really easy to blend. I use this golden rose eyebrow pencil, so I apply it first on the edge. Eyebrow pencils are really easy to work. Then just brush it as well so that the product is distributed all over, and you can see the difference. Then for compact powder, I'll be using this a Revlon compact powder, and this is pretty much affordable as well. So I take a angular puff and apply it mostly on the center of my face. I dab it so that the product is locked inside the skin. And for eyeliner, I'll be using this Sonata eyeliner. I first apply it from the edge, like I make a small wing liner like this. I just use a little bit of the product so that your eyeliner is thin liner. I'll be finishing my next eye and will be coming in a minute. Then for mascara, I'll be using this Wonder Beauty mascara. I apply up to 2 or 3 coats so that I can get the fuller lashes. Apply it on my lower lashes as well. Then for blush, I'll be using this LA Girl blush collection. I have used this palette a lot, you can see it. Then I use this shade, this lighter shade. When applying blush is that don't apply directly from the brush, apply it some off on your hands, then just blend it like this. First put it on the apples of your cheeks and then gradually move upwards. This will give a natural finish. I'm a blush girly. I just love it. If I don't put blush, I feel like something is lacking on my skin. Bronzer, I'll be using the shade, and with this angular brush, I just apply it on my cheekbones, a little bit on my jawline, and on my forehead as well. You can see the difference how the bronzer does. It just sculpts your face. Like then the tip of bronzing my nose is applying directly like this. And then applying highlighter. Then for highlighter I'll be using this shade and then applying on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, then on the high points of my cheeks. This highlighter provides a subtle glow and it's very much useful during everyday makeup look. And on a little bit on my forehead, I want to look as glowy as possible. Then for lips, I'll be using this Streetwear Lip to Last matte liquid lipstick in the shade name Go Go Rose. This lipstick provides a matte finish and it lasts very long. I suggest you guys to apply a lip balm first, then apply this lipstick as it's really matte. And this is the final look. If you guys like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.